Welcome to another episode of our cryptocurrency news. The world of Bitcoin and blockchain never slows down, and recent events show that this technology is becoming an increasingly vital part of global finance and the economy. In today's episode, we'll discuss how Bitcoin is entering the political spotlight, gaining support from US senators and presidential candidates, as well as how massive funds are flowing into Bitcoin-based ETFs. We'll also take a closer look at Wall Street, where financial giants are increasing their stakes in MicroStrategy, a company going all in on Bitcoin. But that's not all. We'll head to Japan, where another tech company has added Bitcoin to its treasury, to Russia, which is planning a new tax on income from crypto trading and mining. We'll also explore Argentina, where economic turmoil is driving record interest in digital assets, and wrap up with a story about how McDonald's and Doodles are merging the worlds of NFTs with physical holiday collectibles. There's plenty of fascinating news ahead, but before we begin, remember that all information for Kanga Crypto News is gathered by experienced Kanga analysts based on reliable sources. Also, keep in mind, this is not an investment advice. Kanga Crypto News episodes are released every week on Friday. If you want to stay up to date with the most important information from the crypto world, subscribe to this channel. Be sure to click the bell so you don't miss any important news. Senator Cynthia Lummis, known as the Bitcoin Senator, has made a bold suggestion. The US Treasury should diversify its reserves by converting gold into Bitcoin. According to Lummis, Bitcoin's decentralized nature and inflation resistance make it the ideal long-term reserve asset. Her argument comes as the US battles inflation concerns, and Bitcoin is increasingly seen as a digital gold. Could this spark a wave of national adoption? While no official action has been taken, the suggestion alone indicates how serious lawmakers are becoming about Bitcoin's role in the global finance. If adopted, this move could redefine Bitcoin's reputation as a store of value and bolster its credibility among institutional investors. Speaking of political and institutional confidence in Bitcoin, we've got another story about a prominent figure putting their full faith in the cryptocurrency. Let's check it out. Presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has put his money where his mouth is. RFK Jr. recently disclosed that he has invested the majority of his wealth in Bitcoin, further solidifying his commitment to the cryptocurrency. Kennedy has been vocal about Bitcoin's role in promoting financial freedom and countering centralized control. With a politician of his stature openly advocating for crypto, this could bring broader awareness to Bitcoin's potential. Kennedy's endorsement showcases Bitcoin's growing appeal beyond tech enthusiasts, cementing its role as a political and financial disruptor. Now let's zoom out and take a look at a bigger picture. The financial world is seeing a massive inflow of capital into Bitcoin ETFs, signaling a broader adoption. Here's the scoop. Spot Bitcoin ETFs are making waves with an astonishing $1.7 billion in weekly inflows over the past 6 weeks. The demand for these ETFs demonstrates the appetite for regulated, mainstream Bitcoin investment products. This surge could lead to increased liquidity and legitimacy for Bitcoin markets, paving the way for even more institutional investors to join the space. As traditional finance bridges the gap to crypto, we're witnessing a new era of Bitcoin adoption. One company that's been leading the charge in institutional Bitcoin adoption is MicroStrategy. Let's see how Wall Street is reacting to their bold moves. So MicroStrategy continues to be a Wall Street darling. Recent reports show that major financial players are increasing their stakes in MicroStrategy, drawn by the company's aggressive Bitcoin strategy. MicroStrategy now holds 331,200 BTC, making it one of the largest corporate Bitcoin holders in the world. With its stock closely tied to Bitcoin's performance, investors are doubling down on the company's crypto-focused vision. MicroStrategy is proving that bold bets on Bitcoin can win over even the most traditional investors. And it's not just the US. Companies around the globe are adopting Bitcoin as a strategic treasury asset. Let's head over to Japan for our next story. In Japan, MetaPlanet, a tech company, made headlines by adding 124 BTC to its treasury. Following this move, the company's stock price jumped by 15%. This is a testament to market's confidence in Bitcoin as a corporate asset. Japan's progressive crypto regulations likely played a role in Metaplanet's decision. Expect more companies in crypto-friendly regions to follow suit, recognizing Bitcoin as a strategic treasury asset. While companies are embracing Bitcoin, governments are working on how to regulate and tax crypto activities. Russia is the latest to make a significant move. Let's take a closer look. Russia has proposed a 15% tax on crypto income from trading and mining. The move aims to regulate the growing crypto sector while generating state revenue. Critics argued that high taxes could discourage crypto activity, but supporters believe it's a step towards legitimizing crypto in the Russian economy. This development highlights the delicate balance governments face when regulating crypto, encouraging innovation while ensuring compliance. On the other side of the spectrum, crypto continues to thrive as a solution for economic instability. Argentina offers a compelling example. Let's head there now. Argentina's love for crypto is undeniable. Over 2.2 million Argentinians are now registered users of crypto platforms driven by the country's economic instability and hyperinflation. Bitcoin and stablecoins are particularly popular as alternatives to the peso, helping residents preserve their wealth. Argentina is a powerful example of how crypto can offer financial stability in the face of economic crises. Finally, let's lighten things up with a festive story blending NFTs and holiday cheer. Here's what's happening with McDonald's and Doodles. The NFT collection Doodles is teaming up with McDonald's for a holiday-themed collaboration, offering both physical and digital collectibles. This partnership shows how NFTs are crossing into mainstream brands, blending digital art with physical experiences to engage a broader audience. As NFTs continue to innovate, expect more global brands to embrace this technology for marketing and engagement. So that's all for this week on Kanga Crypto News. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest in crypto. See you next time, and as always, stay cool.
We are Kanga, beyond crypto.